here of Newsroom Live. Again, Tina Cervasio in for Dan Bowens. I've been promising this. The big melt is coming on. Do we have a microphone? You're mic'd up. Look at Mike Woods with his mic.
I snuck it in there.
Oh my God, so much has been going on. Mike.
You got a busy day.
We do, but it is warm outside.
Well,
40 degrees. I mean, this is normally when we're like, oh, we have to put on hats and gloves. But how's this helping us out the next few days? What's going on?
I know, because you like the melt, right? Because we
need the melt.
So much snow.
It's been a lot.
That storm that we had, whatever it was, like 3-4 weeks ago.
February 27th, was it? Yeah.
Well, that was the last one.
January.
The one back in January. That's the one that would not go away.
And then when it went away, we had the blizzard of 26.
Exactly. Let's add some more to it. Insult to injury, so to speak. This time, we did a lot better. High 42 today, which is pretty much what we're going for. In fact, we might even be there or even a little bit above that right now because it's actually kind of mild out there this morning. We're kind of thumbing through the graphics here, showing you what's going on. Mixed shower, it's possible for us here.
Okay.
It's mostly been down to the south over South Jersey or in the mid-Atlantic region. The next few days actually look pretty good. We got sunshine out there, comfortable temperatures, but there is another chance that we'll see some more rain snow mixes coming at us as we get into next week. A little bit over the weekend.
Okay.
And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
yeah.
Sunday morning. It looks like, like we had, what was it yesterday? We just got like an inch of snow.
For like an hour and then it melted eventually.
Not a big deal. Exactly. Okay. So we'll get another one of those comes through on Sunday. But then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that one looks like a little more substantial.
I can't believe it.
It's the winter that gives. 25, 26. This one is giving it up big time for us here.
I think we're paying for lost time.
I know,
we're making up for lost time.
Because it seemed like all through
Mother Nature's like,
COVID,
you might not
didn't get anything.
No.
And
it was
even
rainy and dank, but it was just like no snow.
Exactly.
During that whole COVID era.
Exactly. It was cold, but no big storms. But we got it this year for sure.
Gosh.
So we're not in the clear. And of course, in the month of February, but we're getting ready to go into March. Even in the month of March, we're going to get some pretty solid nor'easters.
I'll never forget. I think it was my first opening day when I was full time here at Fox 5. So it was 2018. I think it was 2018.
Okay.
Opening day at Yankee Stadium.
It snowed.
Postponed. We had so much snow.
Yeah, it happens.
It was postponed till the next. So it's happened a couple times. Opening day, we either had snow or it's been postponed in New York.
And I think that happened actually, at least it was snowing mixed with rain for a Mets home opener in recent years. I think we might have been there together.
Maybe that was the year after. I think it was like 1 year after. So we've had snow, this opening day thing. So we could get snow till April 10th.
Mother Nature, you got that right, exactly.
Sorry.
So I know, let's go ahead and make wah-wah. We'll go ahead and put that out there if we have that music.
Anyway, go ahead, wrap up. We're 42 today.
42 today.
How does your arm feel?
Oh, the arm
because you've been working and you've been using your arm to point to the weather map.
I try to use it minimally.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't do a whole heck of a lot. It's not the most physical job, but it's just working on the computer.
To move it.
Exactly. Actually, the arm's feeling okay. It's a little less swollen today than it was yesterday.
Your hand looks great.
It almost looks like a normal hand.
Well, you're a trooper.
What do you think of the RoboCop
the fashion?
look, though?
I think you need a black wrap, though.
A black wrap? Oh, you mean this part underneath?
Yeah, you look more like a bat. If we can get a full shot of Mike Woods, please, Dominic. Because we've gone off the weather now. We're ending on a happy note. Well, it's not happy because he's injured and had surgery.
I am, but
it
I'm
would
on
be a
the
fashion
good
note.
side.
If you can move in, Mike, I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Then you have like a Batman look.
If I had
a black wrap.
They gave me a choice. I almost asked for like a neon green. Or fluorescent green, because that way it would not show up. There was a superhero that had the green. Had the green sleeve?
Because Yoenis Cespedes used to wear the green sleeves, and we used to call him that, and I'm forgetting what it is now.
I don't even know.
Yeah,
there was a Green Lantern. I remember that was one of the superheroes, but this is the best I could do. RoboCop, I'm getting a lot of comments on that.
Bionic Man.
Bionic Man. Iron Man, that works. I need to be able to shoot some stuff out of this, some cool stuff
like very Spider-Man.
Exactly. If I can put that to work, I'd love it. Heat the joint up.
Sound
little
effects.
blaze. Look at
sound effects. Try it again.
Swing that. Now, next thing you know, we got to get graphics to come across the whole thing
with like the Batman pops. Okay, this is